High in the San Gabriel Mountains, just beyond Los Angeles, lies one of the most influential observatories in the history of astronomy. Its view of the world below is breathtaking, but its view of the cosmos above reshaped science forever. Perched nearly 5,700 feet high, Mount Wilson became a place where light from distant stars told the universe's deepest secrets. In 1917, construction finished on the 100-inch Hooker telescope, the largest ever built at the time. A year later, it opened its eye to the heavens, capturing images no human had seen before. Its vast mirror and extraordinary precision pushed the edge of vision farther than anyone thought possible. Yet Mount Wilson's true legacy would not come from size alone, but from what that telescope revealed. In the early 1920s, a young astronomer named Edwin Hubble began turning the Hooker toward the faint smudges of light beyond the Milky Way. What he found changed everything. Those smudges were not clouds inside our galaxy. They were galaxies themselves, rushing away from us. The universe was not static, it was expanding. That single realization shattered centuries of belief and gave birth to modern cosmology. Hubble's analysis of those red-shifted galaxies, published in 1929, became the cornerstone of what we now call Hubble's law, the discovery that space itself is stretching. From this quiet mountain, humanity glimpsed the motion of creation. But Mount Wilson's story did not end with galaxies. In the 1930s, its instruments began tracing the heartbeat of our own star, the Sun. Astronomers here mapped sunspots, watched solar flares erupt, and began understanding how bursts of radiation travel across space to touch the Earth. Their work laid the foundation for what we now call space weather, shaping everything from satellite safety to power grid stability. That same decade, Mount Wilson became a frontier for another mystery: cosmic rays. Scientists here studied high-energy particles raining from the depths of space, uncovering clues that would later help explain black holes, neutron stars, and the violent physics of the universe itself. These revelations were made possible by the purity of Mount Wilson's skies. Above the haze of Los Angeles, the air was still and the nights were sharp, allowing astronomers to see the heavens with unmatched clarity. What once appeared to be mere nebulae were revealed as entire galaxies, each one a vast island of stars. The cosmos suddenly expanded in scale, and humanity's sense of place changed with it. Through these observations, astronomers catalogued hundreds of galaxies, sketching the first great maps of the universe. Hubble and his colleagues built a bridge between our small spiral of stars and the unimaginable vastness beyond. For the first time, we began to comprehend the true architecture of the cosmos. Even as technology advanced and new telescopes rose on other peaks, Mount Wilson's legacy endured. The 100-inch Hooker telescope no longer leads the world in size, but in significance, it remains unmatched. It stands as a monument to curiosity, precision, and the audacity to look deeper. Today, Mount Wilson is both a historic landmark and a living classroom. Visitors walk the same paths where astronomers once measured the expanding universe. Here they learn how a century-old telescope changed the boundaries of human thought. Modern scientists still use the site for education and outreach, ensuring that its story and its stars continue to inspire. The Hooker telescope may rest, but its light never faded. Mount Wilson remains a symbol of what happens when human vision meets the infinite. It is where our understanding of the universe took shape and where the sky itself began to expand.